In this video, I will show you how to use Content-Aware Fill in After Effects. Start by making sure you have your clip in the timeline. I will be using Content-Aware Fill to remove this car and trailer from the video. First, make sure your clip is selected. Then go to the toolbar and select the Pen tool. Now draw a rough square around the object you want to remove. It does not have to be perfect. Once you have drawn the mask, go to the Composition panel. Click the down arrow next to your video clip to expand the mask options. Now, right-click on Mask 1 and select Trace Mask. This will open a window on the right side of your screen. In this new window, find the Analyze section and click the Play button. This will track your mask across the video. Depending on your video length, this might take some time. After it finishes, play through the video and watch the mask carefully. If you see any mistakes, fix them by adjusting the mask shape frame by frame. Once you are happy with the mask, go back to the mask settings and check the inverted box. This will flip the mask so that everything except the car and trailer is selected. Now, go to the top menu bar and click on Window. From here, enable the Content-Aware Fill panel. Once the panel is open, make sure the fill method is set to Object and the range is set to Work Area. Now, all you need to do is click the Generate Fill Layer button. After Effects will start analyzing and filling in the space where the car and trailer were. This may take a little time depending on your computer and video. Once it finishes, you will see that the car and trailer are gone. If you notice any black lines around the area, go back to your mask settings and change the mask mode to None using the drop-down menu. And that is how you remove objects using Content-Aware Fill in After Effects.